Welcome to Sounds of Golf. I'm Mike Bronke with Golf and Me Do It, and today we're at the beautiful Madison Club in Quinta, California.
Get in the hole. Get in the hole. Oh, I like that swing. Yeah, baby.
We got Kevin Connolly and Kevin Dillon from Entourage, and we're gonna have a day. Make sure to tap that subscribe button to follow the journey.
Oh, listen to the sound of that. We have no chance.
We
have no chance against these guys. Oh, they're too good. They're just too good.
Last I remember, KD's a future Hall of Famer, right? KD?
Kevin Durant?
I thought they were talking about you.
What Hall of Fame would that be?
I can think of a few.
The Hall of Shame.
I can think of a few places where you might qualify.
The Drinking Hall of Fame.
Kev, do you tee your ball? How high do you tee your ball up?
I get it up pretty high.
You do?
Yeah. There we go.
Sounded good.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
That's the Connolly I know right there.
By the way, this club, the 4 hybrid, oh.
One of those.
I mean, I want to putt with this thing. I love it that much.
No one's stopping you.
Oh, God.
They play this at Wingfoot, at Neil Young on the range?
Hell no, man. It's Black Sabbath, the Wingfoot. Yeah, you want to rock out there because you got to hit the ball hard. You're just jealous because you can hit the ball like that. Over the
That was
bunker.
pretty impressive there. I got you like mid-backswing. Don't worry, I'll be giving those lessons about hole 3. About hole 3. The moment we go down, there's going to be all kinds of playing lessons out there.
I think my work here is done. These guys are so scared right now.
We got Kevin Connolly, Kevin Dillon, and Derek Brody here. We're gonna have a little match today. The teams are myself and Kevin Dillon
Oh, yeah, baby.
versus
The winners.
Kevin Connolly and Derek Brody.
Ooh.
The winner of today's match advances to the championship later this year, and you guys will see more with that one.
So winner go home.
Winner go home.
Winner go home.
9 holes.
You might as well just go now. Just go on home.
9 holes, winner take all.
Here's to Golf Made Me Do It, damn it.
Made me do it. Mike Meldman, thank you very much.
Here it is.
Thank you,
Michael,
Mike.
here's to you, bro.
Here's the mic.
Appreciate it.
Cheers.
Golf and me do it.
Oh, Connolly!
That was
I got lower bell.
Oh, man. He's going in the air to see who goes first. Let's get it on. You go first. Oh, he doesn't like that toss. He's gonna like, look at that. He's gonna complain about the
Didn't even
toss.
twirl. This is a big tee ball for the young man.
It's all right.
Okay, big match. Big match here.
Oh, the smack talk is going
Where it all started. Bronke!
Oh, my partner.
Bronke!
Oh, he's got a lot of anger. So we want to go over that bunker, right?
Right.
How's that pine tree out there? Get over it. Sit. Sit. Not my best. Now playing out of Hatchhog, New York.
Partner. That's perfect.
Oh, yeah.
All right. What are you doing here, Derek? Don't be nervous.
Not at all.
Oh, you guys are in big trouble. You really are. I mean, I know it's early, but you're in such big trouble.
All right, you hacks, let's go.
Let's get it.
You might need more than jogging shoes.
swim trunks.
All right, here we go. All right, I think we're okay, too. I mean, I didn't hit one hook at the end.
Okay. Don't work. Get down left.
That's not terrible.
I mean, I think the pitch would do it, right?
I think so, yeah.
All right, KD, let's get it.
Ooh, weird lie here.
Be good.
Hit it, I pulled it a little.
Stay on.
Get up. Oh, nice kick.
All right.
All right.
I don't know how big that green, but nice shot.
I think it might have kicked down there.
Go. I chunked it.
Good shot. That's your kick.
Sit.
Nice shot. Where are you, Dillon? You out of the water yet? I'm fishing. Dillon, you bring your bathing suit?
He's got it. I think he touched it. Cheater, cheater.
I was thinking about going 9-iron. I'm glad I went with the wedge. Kick.
Did you touch that ball before you hit it? Just saying, I don't know. Whatever. I'm not a stickler, but we are counting.
Yeah. I knew that's one thing about when that ball's above your feet, it goes left a lot. Yeah, you got to kind of choke up on that shot a little bit. So I might have went long.
I think you did. You're probably in the
wait.
top.
Oh shit, dude! I might have went long. I see only a yellow ball on there.
Yeah, that's, yeah.
Ooh, look at that.
Maybe. Well, this way it ends up getting really fast, and I think you go right here.
Right here?
Try and hit it. Try and hit it like the hole's like right there.
Okay.
Hey,
And you're downhill, so basically you just gotta.
you just gotta get it through the rough.
Hit it right at me because it's gonna go a little left, and
Okay.
try and get it to me. But basically you just gotta get it through the rough.
Good putt. Go right. Go right.
Hey, that's cheating.
I put a little win. You get one push. You get one push for every shot. Sit.
Oh, that's my partner.
Sit. Give him a line. Give him a line. Give him a line.
I got a little carried away with that pitching wedge. I hit it 150. I gotta spend less time at the gym.
Sit, sit.
This guy's a tour player. He's a tour player.
Ah, ran it by a little bit, but I can make that putt.
No, you can't.
I can and will. Look at this. Look where he was aiming that.
Sit. Sit.
What a putt.
Jeez, I hit a hair hard.
That was a great putt.
Okay, you three get shots here.
Go right there.
Nice and slow, too, right?
You need like 70% of the way for speed.
Good putt.
Good putt.
I was happy with that. I was happy with that. You
we
guys
give
aren't
him that
giving him
one?
that? You're not gonna give him that? on
Should
the
we give
first-
that one?
first hole?
We might give it to him. Let's see what we do.
man.
Yeah, let's see first.
Let's see what we do.
But if you make it, are you gonna give it to him?
Probably.
Let's see what we do.
85.
I just underhit that one. That was right.
Just to him.
Bronchius. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Talking about that
Questionable etiquette. Hey, wait, hold on now. Did you hear that? that
I don't.
questionable etiquette in his backstroke.
It's my fault. That's good. That's good, Bronky.
We let him slide on touching that ball before the last shot.
Hey, I'm all about, hey, that's good.
Casey, pick it up.
Go right there.
Bronky, I'm sorry. I thought
You're in for par, right? So I could give it a good run now.
you give it a good run.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to be more aggressive. We got the par. There we go. I like that.
Hey, Kevin, the next one's not good, though.
Well, my
kid-
partner's in.
I'm messing with you. I'm messing with you. Get in the
Not
hole.
high enough. Damn it. That's
Okay,
terrible.
Did we get 4? 5,
Yeah,
4?
5 for 4.
Okay.
Man, I had a good look at that putt too. God damn it.
All right. I got to make a better roll at that.